Detect if a NumPy array contains at least one non-numeric value. I need to write a function which will detect if the input contains at least one value which is non-numeric. If a non-numeric value is found, I will raise an error, because the calculation should only return a numeric value. The number of dimensions of the input array is not known in advance. The function should give the correct value regardless of NDIM. As an extra complication, the input could be a single float, or NumPy.float64, or even something oddball like a zero-dimensional array. The obvious way to solve this is to write a recursive function, which iterates over every iterable object in the array until it finds a non-iterable. It will apply the NumPy.isNone function over every non-iterable object. If at least one non-numeric value is found, then the function will return false immediately. Otherwise, if all the values in the iterable are numeric, it will eventually return true. That works just fine, but it's pretty slow, and I expect that NumPy has a much better way to do it. What is an alternative that is faster and more NumPy-ish? Here's my mock-up.
This should be faster than iterating and will work regardless of shape. Edit, 30x faster. Results. Bonus, it works fine for non-array NumPy types.
With NumPy 1.3 or SVN you can do this. The treatment of nans and comparisons was not consistent in earlier versions.
If infinity is a possible value, I would use NumPy.isFinite. If the above evaluates to true, then my array contains none of NumPy.none, NumPy.inf or NumPy.inf. NumPy.isNone will be okay with NumPy.inf values, for example.
np.where, np.isNone a. 0.shape0 will be greater than 0 if it contains at least one element of nan. A could be an nxm matrix. Example,